official monster trucks do their thing here at the California International Air Show. The Patriot is also sponsored by South Bar Driveline and Central Coast 4-Wheel Drive. We got a yellow flag up, which is just like a yellow light at a stoplight, which means caution, you're running just about over. So after he gets done doing his thing, I'll hopefully get him out here and talk to him for a little while.